Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by powering on your PS5 and opening the PlayStation Store immediately. Search for the Apple Music app and download it to the console storage. Launch the Apple Music app and choose Sign In to use your Apple ID. Complete two-factor authentication on your iPhone or iPad if prompted for security reasons. Once signed in, you will see your library, playlists, and recommendations directly on the TV. The app is native and integrates with PS5 features for playback control. Control playback with your DualSense controller using the on-screen transport buttons for play and skip. Press the PS button to open the control center and access audio controls instantly. Use the control center slider to reduce music without muting game sound when needed. You can browse playlists, albums, and radio from the app while listening to background audio. Background audio continues during most games, so your music does not stop when you switch titles. Use the Create button for quick screenshots without interrupting playback. If you encounter sign in or playback issues, start by updating PS5 system software immediately. Update the Apple Music app from the library if an app patch is available. Restart the console to clear temporary network or app errors before additional steps. If sign-in still fails, connect the DualSense via a USB-C cable and try again for reliable input. As a last resort, sign out of Apple Music and reinstall the app to refresh credentials. Keep your Apple Music subscription active.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.